for being with us on this very significant day. School principal, our school administrator, Sister Gracie, Sister Kantamani, and Sister Vicky to be seated. For any work to be started with, we need the blessings of our
Principal, Sister Mini Palipadan, to escort our Chief Guest on the stage.
Sunshine is a welcome thing. It brings a lot of brightness. Now I would like to call upon Vishwas and Lekhana of grade 10 to do the honor of welcoming the guests.
A small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. Happy morning to one and all present here. It is with immense pleasure and great pride that we gather here today for the significant occasion, our investiture ceremony. This day marks a pivotal moment in the lives of our young leaders as they officially step into the role of responsibility and commitment. We are truly honored by the presence of our distinguished chief guest, Lieutenant Commander Vinay Ramachandran of 3rd Karnataka NCC Naval Unit. Sir, your dedication to nurturing leadership and discipline in the young minds is truly inspiring, and we are privileged to have you grace this event. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
A warm and heartfelt welcome to our guest of honor, Reverend Sister Chinnamma, our esteemed manager to the investiture ceremony. Your gracious presence truly adds to the dignity and spirit of this special occasion. We welcome you, dear sister.
We are also incredibly fortunate to have with us our guiding light, our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Mini Palipadan. Your vision, leadership, and unwavering support are the pillars of our institution, and we are deeply grateful for your presence, sister. A very warm welcome to you. A heartfelt welcome to our esteemed administrator, Reverend Sister Josephine, whose tireless effort ensures the smooth functioning and well-being of our school. Your guidance is invaluable, sister. A very warm welcome to you, sister. We extend a warm welcome to Sister Gracie, Sister Kantamani, and Sister Viji, whose contributions towards school community are deeply appreciated. Your presence adds immense value to this event. A warm welcome to you, sisters.
We are also delighted to welcome our academic coordinator, Sarita ma'am, whose dedication towards academic excellence and students' growth never goes unnoticed. We welcome you, ma'am. Welcome to the stars of today's ceremony, our dear students. Today is your day, a day of honor, responsibility, and promise. The badges over the sieve are not just the symbol of an office, but a call to lead with integrity, compassion, and courage. Let this day mark the beginning of a new journey as we march together towards excellence and service. We look forward for an inspiring ceremony and wish all our newly appointed leaders all the very best as they embark on this new exciting chapter. Once again, I welcome you all and thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Thank you.
Is a symbol of self-determination and prosperity. To make the morning blessed one, let's invoke the presence of Almighty by setting up the balloon fly high and officially inaugurate the program. I request all the dignitaries to do the honor of inaugurating the program.
Comes the most significant part of our investiture ceremony, introducing the leaders and rewarding them with badges. To announce the leaders and give introduction about the houses, I call upon Sarita ma'am to officially officiate our new leaders.
If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, then you are an excellent leader. Great and pleasant morning to everyone and who are gathered here. I take this opportunity to welcome you all on this special occasion for fastening the badges to the newly appointed prefects of the school council for the academic year 2025-26 of our school. The investiture ceremony is a first celebration in a school and it is one of the most important events of any school. It's a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of the students. They all pledge to respect their duties and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. Students' Council induction is a memorable day for all the office bearers, a proud, memorable day to stand as leaders before their fellow mates. Now it's the time to do the honor fastening the badges to the newly elected school council. Let's start the ceremony by calling upon the newly elected head boy of the school, Kirtan of grade 9th A, and head girl of the school, Tanaya of grade 9th A for the academic year 25-26. I request our chief guest, Lieutenant Commander Vinay Ramachandran of 3rd Karnataka NCC Naval Unit to honor them by fastening the badges and hand over the school flag. Of grade 8A as vice captain. Now I would like to request our guest of honor, Sister Chinnamal, manager of our school, and Mr. Dev, physical instructor, to honor the prefects. Cultural Prefect Ahar Nishi of grade 8B. Now I would like to request our principal, Cultural Prefect Ahar Nishi of grade 8B. I request our principal, Sister Mini Palipadan, to honor the prefect. Next we have Hygiene Prefect Sanvi N of grade 8B. Now I would like to request Sister Josephine Now I would like to request our administrator, Sister Josephine, to honor the prefect. Up next, we have academic prefect Nishchita of grade 8A. Now I would like to next we have with us discipline prefect Raghavendra of grade 9th B. Discipline prefect Raghavendra of grade 9th B. Now I would like to request our sister Kantamani to honor the prefect. To honor the newly elected house prefects. Sapphire House. Sapphire is often associated with the color blue and represents qualities like purity, calmness and clarity of mind. Students in Sapphire: Geeta, Mr. Charan, physical instructor, Captain Suchetan Swami of grade 9th B and Vice Captain Lavishko of 7th A. Ruby is a symbol of love, energy and power, is the inspiration for Ruby House. Students are encouraged to embody the qualities of a Ruby: courage, passion and zest for life. Ruby House mentor Ms. Rashmi, Captain Harshit B. Gowda of 8A and Vice Captain Namita of 9th A. Captain Harshit B. Gowda of 8A and Vice Captain Namita of 9th A. The vase, the gemstone, is often linked to individuality, self-confidence, creativity and forgiveness. It encourages the students to unleash their potential, fostering a spirit of teamwork and excellence. The Bass House mentor, Ms. Priyanka, the Captain Dhanush of grade 8A and Vice Captain Disha 7th A. Greenhouse, often associated with nature, growth and harmony, and aims for continuous learning and wisdom sharing. Green as color symbolizes growth, freshness and safety. It encourages the students to reach their full potential. Emerald House mentor, Ms. Lalita, Captain Ajit MN of grade 8A and Vice Captain Tej. Congratulations, my dear students, and all the best. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Sarita ma'am, for graciously announcing the names of our newly appointed leaders. Your words have added dignity, especially for our young leaders.
The mini Palipadan to administer the solemn oath to the leaders.
Dear students, I congratulate you all for taking up this responsibility, and you know it. It should be a sincere, dedicated, a committed responsibility. So now, kindly stretch your hand those who do not have the flag, and those who have the flag, slide right side on it. I solemnly accept the profound responsibility bestowed upon me. I pledge to uphold the highest standards of integrity and loyalty towards our esteemed institution, our nation, and the divine. In carrying out my duties, I shall strive for impartiality and fairness, ensuring that the reputation of our school remains unblemished. May divine providence guide me in fulfilling this noble commitment. And stand.
Full sky. You are the light to lead the way. Are shining light for us today. Congratulations in your place. Lead with honor, strength, and grace. Shine your light in
Mr. Raghavendra.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, esteemed teachers, parents, and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I would like to congratulate all the appointments, and I would like to congratulate the students and the teachers who have worked upon them for a wonderful March past today. Give a round of applause for yourself. Good job. With great power comes great responsibility. So leadership is not an authority, it's a great responsibility. So all those who have been appointed today, lead with humility and pride and serve with dedication. You are the representative of the school students as well as the school. Have that in mind always. And the ones who have not been selected, you must have applied and you have not been selected, do not worry. Leadership is not a title. Okay, true leader never needs a title or a badge. There is enough leadership among you to show and lead by example so that others can follow you. I wish you all the best and have a good academic year. And I would like to congratulate the team of the school for a good show today. All the best. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Each has truly enlightened us and added great value to today's program. We are deeply grateful for the time you took to be with us and for sharing your insights and wisdom. Your presence has made this occasion even more special.
Finally, Father, to please come forward and present a token of love and respect to our chief guest.
Let us all join in expressing our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation with a big round of applause as we honor our distinguished guest.
Nistita?
Yeah, it's dance. Dance is the language of soul, a dialogue without words but emotions and expressions. Let's welcome our friends to color the stage with their dance.
ನೆನಪು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ಇರಲಿ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನ ಕಳೆ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿ ಹರಿಸುವ ನಾವು ಹೊಳೆ ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆ ಸುರಿಯಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ಅಗಳಯ್ಯ ಗೆಲುವೇ ನಮಗಯ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದೂ.
Comes mine from our super talented friends to enlighten about farmers and soldiers. I happily invite our mime team on the stage.
for giving such a wonderful message.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Through your mind, which makes us understand that action speaks louder. The power of theatre is immense. Hope you all enjoyed.
Thanking is a gesture that everyone should cultivate. To do vote of thanks, I cordially invite Hamsini Girish and Amrita of grade 9th A to share our heartfelt gratitude to everyone.
Morning, everyone. It is with immense pride and heartfelt gratitude that I deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion, the Invest Teacher Ceremony of our school. First and foremost, I extend my sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Vinay Ramachandran from the 3rd Karnataka Naval NCC Unit. Sir, your presence has been truly inspiring. Your words of encouragement and example of disciplined leadership have left a lasting impression on our young leaders. We are deeply honored and grateful for the time and wisdom you shared with us today. It is my proud privilege to extend my heartfelt vote of thanks to Reverend Sister Chinnamma, manager, for gracing this Invest Teacher Ceremony with her esteemed presence. Thank you, sister. A special note of appreciation goes to our beloved principal, Sister Minipalli Padal, whose unwavering support, vision and leadership continue to guide our school on the path of excellence. Thank you for being a pillar behind all our endeavors. A heartfelt thank you to our administrator, Sister Josephine, for joining us on this special occasion and blessing the Invest Teacher Ceremony with your gracious presence. We also express our sincere gratitude to our Sister Gracie, Sister Kantamani and Sister Viji. Your presence and blessings enrich every event and strengthen the spirit of our school community. Our heartfelt thanks to Sarita Ma'am, our academic coordinator, whose dedication and meticulous planning made this event possible. Your constant efforts to nurture leadership among our students are truly commendable. To our wonderful and devoted teachers, thank you for being a mentors, guides, and constant sources of encouragement to our student leaders. Your hard work builds foundation to their future. To the ever-supportive parents, thank you for your encouragement and for being such an integral part of this journey. Your belief in your children fuels their confidence and aspirations. And to our dear students, especially the newly invested leaders, this is your moment to shine. Wear your badges with pride and lead with honesty, courage and compassion. We believe in your potential and we look forward to the positive change you will bring. Once again, thank you everyone for being a part of this meaningful celebration and for making it a memorable one. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much for the vote of thanks.
Our school anthem is symbol of our school values, mission and spirit. I request everyone to stand up for our school anthem,
Followed by national anthem. Each word of this anthem resonates with our collective commitment and responsibilities towards our nation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे